Hello there. AI is transforming workplaces faster than anyone expected, and naturally, people are asking a big question. Is AI going to replace my job? I'm Victor Lees, and today I'm going to break down the truth using real data, real trends, and real experience from the world of AI governance. You're probably wondering whether AI is going to replace your job, or whether your role will even exist a few years from now. And that question makes complete sense. AI is moving faster than anything we've ever seen. But here's the truth. AI isn't replacing everyone, and today I'll walk you through what's really happening and what it means for your career. Here's what we're going to cover. 1. Why this fear of AI is replacing jobs exploded. 2. What the data actually says. 3. Who is truly at risk. 4. Who actually AI enhances. 5. Why AI cannot replace humans. If you find this helpful, please subscribe for more real-world AI governance insights. Every week, there's another headline. AI is replacing thousands of jobs. AI can do your job faster and cheaper. These are designed to shock, not explain what AI can do. Yes, companies are adopting AI fast, but adoption does not equal replacement. Most organizations still struggle with oversight, risk, accuracy, and governance, and you cannot run AI at scale without human decision making. The bottom line is, AI is disrupting tasks. It is not eliminating entire professions. The technology reshapes how certain work gets done, but the broader job market continues to hold steady. I'm curious, what changes are you seeing in your career or in your industry? Please share in the comments below. Let's take a closer look at what the actual data shows about AI in the labor market. First, according to the Challenger Gray and Christmas report, there are just over 17,000 job cuts from AI this year. That number makes headlines, but in the context of the U.S. workforce, it represents a relatively small portion of overall job cuts. Next, a 2025 study from the Stanford Digital Economy Lab found that early career workers, especially from ages 22 to 25, experience employment declines in AI-exposed occupations. But the same study shows that experienced workers saw little to no negative impact, suggesting AI's effects are uneven across age and experience. Meanwhile, broader research from the Yale Budget Lab found no nationwide spike in unemployment with AI adoption. Here's who is truly at risk right now. People doing repetitive tasks, summaries, data entry, basic reports. People who refuse to use AI tools. In other words, the biggest risk isn't AI replacing you, it's another human using AI becoming 10 times faster and more efficient than you. Entry-level support roles are also under pressure. In organizations with no governance, they face mistakes, errors, and eventually restructuring. Let me be very clear about what this actually looks like inside organizations. When AI is deployed without governance, problems don't show up immediately. They start small. You see inaccurate outputs slipping into reports. You see automated decisions made without anyone fully understanding how they were generated. And you see teams trusting systems that can't explain, audit, or defend. Over time, these small issues compound. Compliance risks increase, security gaps widen, and leadership loses confidence in the systems they approved. Eventually, the conversation shifts from innovation to damage control. That's when organizations pause projects, restructure teams, or roll back AI deployments entirely, not because AI failed, but because governance was never put there in the first place to support it. Talk about something the headlines rarely mention, the roles that AI actually enhances instead of replacing. AI makes certain people more valuable, especially those whose judgment, make decisions, or work with complex information. These include developers, analysts, engineers, cybersecurity leaders, compliance and GRC professionals, and data quality teams, managers who supervise, process, or strategize. In these roles, AI doesn't replace you, it becomes a force multiplier. AI handles routine tasks, and you stay focused on interpretation, oversight, and decisions. The workflow becomes simple. Humans provide AI input. AI generates. Humans evaluate. Humans decide. And that's the key. The more AI an organization adopts, the more valuable humans become in guiding, verifying, and governing those systems. AI cannot function without human-created data. Every model, GPT, Claude, enterprise LLMs, they are trained on human knowledge. And even more important, AI cannot verify truth. It cannot judge consequences. It cannot ensure compliance. It hallucinates. It guesses. It fabricates. That's why every responsible AI system requires human oversight. Humans review inputs. Humans verify outputs. Humans apply context. Humans evaluate risk. Humans make the final decision. Here's what AI cannot replicate: your intuition, your ethics, your domain expertise, your creativity, your emotional intelligence, your situational awareness. These human qualities will always matter. AI isn't replacing you, it's raising the value of human oversight. Thank you for watching. I hope this gave you a clearer picture of how AI is actually reshaping careers. I'll be sharing more content on AI governance, human oversight, and the real skills that matter in an AI-driven world. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next video.